I didn't even bring my own daggum tools. Not all of them anyway.
Wait, tell us what you're doing first, sir.
I'm gonna fix stuff.
Tell us what you're fixing and why.
This. Because your aunt doesn't like it.
That was very southern northern
You're
over
welcome.
you.
Aunt Sharon, do you want to tell us what happened here?
I wasn't here when it happened.
They put this beautiful tile in a really nice mosaic fashion.
Why did they do that?
They're not.
Because the
Now you're asking me to say
box-
mean things about the contractor. I'll do it, but I'm not going to do it on purpose.
The electrical box is behind there. And so rather than wait for the electrician to come over and move the box, they cut around the tile.
I see.
So he could put a plate on there.
So we're going to do a little bit of smoke and mirrors and make it disappear.
Good.
Maybe.
That's what we need.
We got 2 or 3 of these covers to try it on, so we'll see.
They're cheap, right?
If we can make it work. Stanley. Made in the US of A. Doesn't say of on there though.
Why aren't you using your tools?
Your junk. Come on, I'm finishing the dang job. Right. Now. Super sharp. Don't worry, you'll find that later.
You're just kind of peeling that lip off so it'll sit on the tile.
Yep.
It's gonna be deep enough?
No.
Oh.
It's gonna be perfect. Don't tell your aunt.
I'm not listening.
I'm not watching this.
Cut myself tonight. That's crappy.
Let's see your favorite catchphrase. Well, shoot, gang. We need to do something crappy.
That's right. Dang it. Throw it on the floor.
Did it look better?
Already.
Magic.
Oh, got torch.
Don't worry about my fingers. I got 10 of them.
That's so much better.
What do you think?
It's the curve of that thing that's bothering you, isn't it?
Right here.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna make a little bit more.
Oh my. That looks worlds better.
It does. Yes.
Drives me nuts from right here.
Yeah, but from right here, it's awesome.
See the bottom corner? I didn't touch.
Oh my gosh. I've been looking at that for so long.
Hire him. I mean,
Can you live with it?
I don't know.
Maybe I could take a little bit more of
I
this.
can.
I think I can live with it.
I mean, you were living with the other thing,
I know,
right?
and I just thought it was a nice one.
It's good. It's better than it is.
Nobody is going to look at the corner.
I mean, he went through a lot of work to cut that out, actually. 3 times.
I don't have nothing.
Yeah.
What am I supposed to say?
If you like this video, like and subscribe.
Well, first, come here. See this?
It's gonna do his disclaimer.
It's driving me nuts. See that? Looks good.
Yeah.
Who's down here? No! Dang it. Yes, if you like to see mistakes, hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, the next time you're in Colorado, you can come by and fix it.
They're not satisfied customers. I won't send them a bill.
It's free. It's on the house.
Thanks for coming along. We'll see you next time. Where seldom is heard a discouraging word unless you're traveling with your family all day.